SOFI update here on the 9th. Let's go over the overall counts one more time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. That could be an overall 5-wave move. Or we have, this is probably more likely, this count. I think this count is probably what it's going to end up being. So that makes this a 3rd wave right here. We would pull back maybe to, I don't know, 20, 22 bucks, 20, somewhere in that range, and then back up here for a 3rd wave, maybe to like 35 or 40 bucks. Pull back and then go higher after that. This is the more probable count. So I've talked about in the past, it's possible that this is the overall 5th wave, and we do see a pullback here. That is still possible, but it's not the probable count, in my opinion, at this point. So those are the 2 long-term counts. Let's go over the short-term now. So just this wave right here, I've said it before. There isn't really that much to update here, but I'm going to just do it pretty quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And within this 5th wave, you can see within this 5th wave, we had 5 waves from the bottom here. You had 5 waves. You had a 2nd wave pullback. This did not quite get to the 1.61 fib here, which is fine because it's basically it's a diagonal anyway. A diagonal just means the 4th wave came back into the 1st wave. So overall, on this 5th wave, I'm looking for a 5th wave higher. If you look at the length of wave 1, it was about $3.30. This right here was $5.30. And right now we are sitting at about $2.30 taken out so far. So I'm expecting more upside here. So $4.30 would take us all the way up to about 28 bucks. So somewhere around 27, 28, 29 bucks, maybe 30. We'll see. But I do think that this is still likely to go higher to complete that overall 5th wave. Within this smaller count right here, I would just expect something like this. So yeah, just more upside on SOFI. I don't see anything to be alarmed about on the daily as far as RSI divergences go. It looks fine to me. The weekly, you still have that bearish divergence, meaning this is higher than this right here, but our RSI has not been able to take out this top right here. So there is a bearish divergence going on there, and I think that will play out here shortly once we get up into this area right here. So you're either looking for a pullback here like this and then higher, or you're looking for a bigger pullback like that. Like I said, this one is more likely just based on what I think the overall market's going to do. I do think the dollar is probably likely to get weaker over the next 3 to 6 months, and I expect stocks to continue going higher. So that is a quick update here on SOFI here on the 9th. Kind of a weird time to put this out, but I'm in Asia right now, so it's about lunchtime here. And that's all I got for right now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.